Dr. Vicky Manuel. I'm a neurologist at St. Luke's Medical Center, both in Quezon City and in Global City. As a neurologist, I deal with illnesses of the brain, the spinal cord, the muscles, and the nerves. So I deal with strokes, headaches, brain tumors, epilepsy, and a lot of other neurological disorders. In my decade of practice in neurology, one of the problems we have experienced among our HMO patients are congenital or pre-existing illnesses, and there are a lot of this among neurological patients. We do have a lot of problems, especially when it comes to approving laboratory or diagnostic procedures, especially if these patients are deemed to have pre-existing conditions such as diabetes or those with hypertension, which are the common risk factors for strokes. So what happens is that a lot of stroke patients come in and then their requests for procedures are denied because they are said to have pre-existing conditions. But I believe that with Purple Cow, we would not have this kind of problems because patients, even if they do have pre-existing conditions, would have all their tests approved. Besides, there are also other conditions which I have noticed are very common but are very readily disapproved. Among these are 1. Migraines. A lot of patients come in for migraines and you want to be sure that they don't have any more serious problems. So you want to request diagnostic tests such as an MRI of the brain. But when you write migraine on their diagnosis, these are immediately disapproved because these are said to be pre-existing conditions or recurrent conditions. So with Purple Cow, we can obviate this problem. Another thing I've noticed is with congenital disorders. Some seizures are actually congenital in origin, and when a patient comes in with epilepsy, again, the different tests such as the EEG, the MRI are disapproved because they are pre-existing conditions. With Purple Cow, again, this will not be a problem. This is the Health and Wellness Center of St. Luke's Medical Center, Global City. It supports the comprehensive wellness program of Asian Life, which can be availed of with the Purple Cow program.